What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about what is it like being a YouTuber, the reality of being a YouTuber, and what does it mean to you as a creator here on this platform. I'm going to be open and honest with this video. I think being a content creator is pretty cool. Most people find it kind of strange if they're not creating content. They think it's kind of like a weird thing that you're doing, that you're just talking into the video, the camera, and just kind of expressing yourself online for people to watch. But I think it's kind of therapeutic for me, and I think it's for a lot of other people here on the platform. You as a creator, you can kind of understand where I'm coming from, and you understand exactly what I'm doing here on this platform. So what are some of the people that think about your videos and think about you creating videos? Do they think it's kind of strange that you do this? They'll probably want to know what's your purpose on doing this. There's a lot of different people here on the platform that does videos for a lot of different reasons. I do it because I really love making videos, and I like sharing things that I've kind of learned here on the platform. And I think it's really nice that you can actually create a video and upload it on YouTube for the world to see it if it reaches that level. But I think that's kind of like a good thing. YouTube is a platform that I think many of us can relate to, and I think YouTube has a lot of opportunities here for a lot of people, right? And I think this is why most people come on this platform, because YouTube is probably one of the best video streaming platforms in the world, and I don't think any other platform is going to top YouTube, right? So, I mean, I've been doing this for a really long time, and I really enjoy doing it. And my expectation is not too high here on YouTube, so I'm not really trying to do anything crazy here on the platform. Hopefully the videos will, kind of reach a lot of people that's trying to come onto this platform. So if you're new and you're just coming onto the platform, hopefully these videos will kind of help you out and kind of inspire you to start your YouTube channel here in 2025. I think that being a creator is really great for a lot of us. I think it's a great interaction that we do with people that's coming on the platform. And I think we're here to kind of show people how to do certain things here on YouTube. I think that's really what YouTube is really all about. Over the past couple of years, I think there's more and more people coming on this platform. There's a lot of new people coming on the platform. But what your expectations are, I'm not really sure. You can post your comments below. Let me know what your expectations are when you started your YouTube channel, and what are you hoping to achieve out of YouTube, because YouTube has a lot of opportunities and there's a lot of doors that can open up for you if this is something that you really want. I think most people, when they come on YouTube, they want to learn. And I think that's the biggest thing on YouTube is learning, right? So there's a big learning thing here on YouTube, and you never stop learning. And there's a lot of people like myself and yourself that's on this platform that wants to teach people to come on the platform and to learn as much as they can learn to be kind of successful here on the platform. So, I've been on YouTube for, like I say, a long time, and I really love YouTube, and I hope everybody else feels the same way, because YouTube definitely gives us everything that we need to actually create these videos. So that's probably one of the best things about YouTube, that there's no limitations in creating your videos. When you start your YouTube channel, you probably really don't know what it is that you're going to do. You just want to upload a video. You want to see the reactions people are going to have on your videos. The sad truth about it is that your videos don't always do well when you first start out. There's just a lot of things that you have to take in consideration when you're starting a channel. And I think most people, when they start a YouTube channel, they don't really take that into consideration. We just have this way of looking at things that when we upload our videos, they're going to do really well, and that's not always the case. But you got to keep kicking and keep pushing, and hopefully you'll achieve some of the things that you want to do here on the platform. There's a lot of things that you could do here to prepare yourself for YouTube as a content creator, and the reality of everything is that you're going to learn. It's just going to take a little time for you to learn. But you're definitely going to learn how to do certain things here on this platform, because there's a lot of people on this platform that want to teach you, right? So as long as you have that foundation, you're going to learn everything you need to do in creating these videos. So don't give up, keep trying and keep pushing and keep learning. And even when things feel like they're not really going to go in your favor, you probably want to just kind of step back a little bit and take a deep breath and just keep pushing. You just have to keep pushing, because YouTube is a process, and if you don't keep pushing, you know, you're going to be against the wall, and you're going to feel that nothing is working for you. And when you start feeling that way, you start having you start second guessing yourself. And this is probably something that you don't want to do. You don't want to second guess yourself, because second guessing yourself doesn't help anything, and you don't get anything done when you second guess yourself. So just keep creating your content, and hopefully everything will go the way you want it to go. But yeah, there's a lot of things, you know, there's a lot of things to take in consideration when you're creating these videos. You know, I try to show up as much as I can to create these videos, and I think now lately I'm more focused on what it is I want to do and what are the messages that I want to get across here on YouTube. I want to show up as much as I can, and sometimes that's really hard because, you know, I have real life stuff going on, so I don't just stay here on YouTube all day creating videos. I mean, I have a lot of things outside the box that I do, and I still have a full-time job as well, and that alone just kind of sometimes it gets in the way of, you know, creating the videos. But I try to put some time aside, like you see right now. I dedicate at least a day or two for me to create these videos. So like today is my day, and I sit down here at my computer and my studio, and I try to create these videos for you guys. And this is something that I'm trying to get more and more of a habit of doing. So, I mean, the way I'm doing it now, I think it's really great because I try to batch my videos. And what I'm doing now is I'm trying to create as many videos as I can in one sitting, than have to trying to take a couple of days or a week to try to create videos. I see a lot of people coming here online and starting YouTube channels, and they for some reason, I don't know why, but they feel they have to create a video every day. And I think that's something that's probably over a lot of people's head if you're trying to create a video every day. I don't see myself doing that, because I think if I create a video every day, I think the quality of my video is going to decline, and I think the message that I'm going to try to get out is not going to be as good. So I don't think creating a video every day for me is something that's going to work. It may work for you, I'm not really sure. Depends on how bad you want it. But for me, I think I try to go at my own pace, and I try to give as much time as I can to YouTube and creating these videos. And for the most part, I think now it's been working out. It's really been working out now, because I kind of set aside some studio time and create these videos. So I think that's probably something that, you know, you might want to take into consideration when you're creating your videos. Try to have a certain time of, I don't know if it's the week or maybe the weekend, that you can sit down and you can focus on your videos. I have a list of videos that I'm going to probably start producing. Right now, I'm pretty sure I have about maybe 45 to 50 videos that I'm going to be producing. So hopefully I can batch these videos and get them up and get them uploaded to YouTube. I think doing it this way, I think is a lot easier for me, because I can make a list of videos that I want, right? And I just kind of go down the list of which videos that I want to start producing, right? And then I'll take some studio time and set aside, and I'll sit down and I'll try to make as many videos as I can in one sitting. This way, I'm set for maybe the week or even maybe 2 weeks. I have enough videos that if I need to upload any kind of video, I can either schedule a video to upload, and I don't have to worry about it. And that helps me out a lot doing that. So I think that's something that I think most creators probably should do, because I think batching your videos, I think it's a really great idea. I think it's just, you can get it all over in one day, you know, maybe on the weekend. If you're on the weekend and you have time on the weekend to get this done, I think that's a good thing to do, because it's going to help you out getting your videos up. So, you know, on YouTube, you can actually schedule your videos to be uploaded. So you don't really have to upload it yourself. You can just upload it to YouTube, schedule a day that you want it to upload, and that video will be uploaded automatically in the YouTube studio. So I think that's something that most of you probably should consider if this is something that you want to do. It's going to help you out in creating these videos. So being a content creator, I think is great. I think most of us love it. You know, if we didn't, we wouldn't be here. So I hope most of you guys achieve what you're hoping to accomplish here on YouTube. And I really think that being a content creator in 2025, I think it's a plus. And I think being content creator now in 2025, I think is probably one of the biggest things now online. There are more content creators here on this platform now than ever before. And now that the algorithm has changed towards small creators, I think there are more and more people jumping online here wanting to create YouTube videos than any other time that I've been here on YouTube since 2009. Every time I turn around, there's new videos popping up on the homepage, and I think it's really great that a lot of people are giving it a shot. You're not going to know how anything works unless you upload your videos and start. So in 2025, I think everybody should start creating your videos and see where it takes you, because there's a lot of opportunities here on YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it's encouraging you to actually start your YouTube channel in 2025. My name is Rob G. Post your comments below and let me know what you guys think, and what is your expectations of YouTube, and what are you hoping to accomplish here on this platform. My name is Rob G, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.